This is a demonstration of the OPAX opacity sensor set up to detect the presence of paper sheets. The sensor features a display of 0 through 99, which is a relative level of light transmission through the target. Right now we have the sensor light source set on the medium setting. We have the voltmeter connected to a DVM connected to the analog output on the sensor. Right now we're at full scale, 99, and we're at a 5-volt output. The light source is the standard OPAX light source with the 3mm aperture. I'm sorry, 100 thousandths aperture, which is 2.5mm aperture, and a piece of glass to allow our samples to sit in the proper position. So I'm going to slide one piece of paper in, and you can see the sensor reads down about 2 volts. If I move the paper around, it's pretty consistent, around 1.9 volts. Another sheet of paper reads about the same. The display shows a value of 42, so pretty close to half scale. Another sheet of paper, again, reads around 1.9 volts. So when I remove the paper, again, the sensor will go to full scale. When I put one sheet in, I get a voltage of around 2 volts, or a value of around 40, 41, 42. Put a second sheet of paper in, and I get about half that, a voltage of around 1 volt, and a display value of around 24, 25. Third sheet of paper, of course, the transmission will be reduced now with every sheet of paper I put in, and the voltage will continue to drop, as will the value on the display. So right now we're at about 650 millivolts with a value of 18 on the display. Now 3 sheets, we're down to a value of 14. I'm sorry, 4 sheets, the value of 14, we're down to about 0.45 on the display. So again, we'll go back to single sheet, right back to about 2 volts. So you can see how the sensor can be used then to detect the presence of one sheet, or differentiate between one sheet, no sheets, and 2 or more sheets. The analog output can be directly connected to a PLC analog input channel, and can be set to have a window around 2 volts, and therefore anything above let's say above 1.8, 1.9 volts would cause the output to turn on, indicating no paper, and a value below approximately 1 volt would indicate that there's 2 or more sheets present. So that's the OPAX sensor and how it can be used to detect multiple sheets of paper.